Okay, hi students. Good morning. Welcome to the third semester. Okay, hope everyone is safe in this pandemic. Okay, I'll introduce about myself. I'm NS Natish, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savitha Engineering College. I'm working here for past 4 years. I had joined in Savitha Engineering College on 2016. Okay, I completed 4 years in Savitha Engineering College, and this semester I will be handling manufacturing technology 2. Okay, this being the first class, I am just going to give you a brief introduction about what is manufacturing and what is the syllabus you are going to study for next 4 or 6 months. Okay, and how it is going to go. Okay, our subject code is 19ME404 and our subject is manufacturing technology 2. I hope everyone would have completed manufacturing technology 1 in the previous semester, and few students would have selected manufacturing technology 2 without completing manufacturing technology 1. Okay, that's not a problem. You can study both the papers simultaneously, or after completing manufacturing technology 2 also you can do the manufacturing technology 1. Okay, that is not a problem. Okay, what is manufacturing? Since it's a manufacturing technology too, you need to know what is manufacturing. Clear? Manufacturing is the processing of raw materials or parts into finished goods through the use of tools, human labor, machinery, and chemical processing. Am I clear? So, in our unit 1, it is going to be a theory of metal cutting. Our unit 1 is theory of metal cutting. In unit 1, we will be seeing about mechanics of chip formation, single point cutting tool, forces in machining, types of chips, cutting tools, nomenclature, orthogonal and oblique cutting, thermal aspects, cutting tool materials, tool wear, tool life, surface finish, cutting fluids, and machinability. Clear? So we are going to use Hajraj Chaudhary as our textbook. Okay, so Hajraj Chaudhary, Elements of Workshop Technology, Volume 2. Don't take the Volume 1, you have to take Volume 2. Okay, Media Promoters. And you can also use Rao PN, Manufacturing Technology, Metal Cutting and Machine Tools, Tata McGraw Hill, New Delhi 2003. Okay, so this is our Unit 1 syllabus. So you can see the Unit 2 syllabus as well. So our unit 2 is center lathe and special purpose lathe. Center lathe, we are going to see about lathe, what are different types of lathe, what are the features of lathe, okay, what are the parts of lathe, why this particular part is used, why the tool post used, why the carriage is used. Okay, we are going to see about everything about the lathe. Okay, we are going to see A to Z about the lathe. Okay, and the operations about the taper turning method, how to do a taper turning, thread cutting method, special attachments, machining time and power estimation, capture and turret lathe. Okay, so what is caption lathe, what is turret lathe? Okay, tool layout. Okay, automatic lathes, semi-automatic single spindle lathe, Swiss type lathe, automatic screw type lathe, and multi-spindle lathe. So in this unit we will be saying about different types of lathe and the lathe operations which will be performed. Clear? So the textbook is same for all the 5 units. You can use the Hajraj Chaudhary. Okay, it is the standard order. In the unit 1 we will be discussing about how a chip is formed. Okay, what is the nomenclature of single point cutting tool, what is a single point cutting tool. Okay, in the first semester you would have done turning and facing using the lathe, turning, facing, step turning. So for doing that you will be using a tool, right? That tool is called as a single point cutting tool. So we are going to see the nomenclature of single point cutting tool. Okay, tool materials and cutting fluids, about different types of cutting. Okay, chip formation, everything will be studied in the unit 1. So our unit 3 will be about shaper. Okay, shaper, reciprocating machines. Okay, shaper. Okay, different types of operations. Okay, what is drilling, reaming, boring, tapping, milling operations, types of milling machines. Okay, gear cutting, forming and generation principle, and construction of gear milling. Okay, what is hobbing and gear shaping process, finishing of gears. Everything will be studying in the unit 3. Our unit 4 will be abrasive process and broaching. Okay, so we'll be studying about the abrasive process, grinding wheel, specification of the grinding wheel. Okay, specifically, generally we'll be doing grinding, right? So the grinding wheel, you are going to study about the grinding wheel and its specifications. Okay, how will you select a grinding wheel, types of grinding process, cylindrical grinding, surface grinding, centerless grinding, internal grinding, typical applications of grinding, concept of surface integrity, broaching machines, broach construction of broaching machine. Okay, different types of broaching machines, that is push type and pull type, surface and continuous broaching machines. Okay, you'll be studying everything in the unit 4. Unit 5, it is fully about CNC, machine tools and part programming. Okay, what is CNC? Computerized numeric control. Okay, you'll be studying about NC machine tools, CNC types, construction details, special features, machining center, part programming, fundamentals of CNC, manual part programming, micro machining, and wafer machining. Okay, so this is our syllabus for 5 units. Okay, these are syllabus. This is the syllabus we are going to cover in next 4 to 6 semester. Okay, we have given a time period of 75 hours since manufacturing technology 2 is a integrated subject. Okay, theory come lab. Integrated means it is a theory come lab paper. Okay, so totally 75 hours. Okay, and you will be having a 3 internal examination. Okay, that is CA1, CA2, CA3. I think you know all this. CA1, CA2, CA3 will be covering 1.5 units in CA1, next 1.5 units in CA2, and remaining 2 units in the CA3. Okay, and simultaneously we will be having the lab. Clear? So after completion of every unit, we will be going to the lab and doing the lab experiments. Clear? So this is about the basic introduction for manufacturing technology 2. Okay, I just said what is manufacturing and I have given the syllabus. Okay, the main reason for discussing syllabus with you is you need to know what you are going to study for the entire semester. Clear? And important thing, we will be having a question whether this is a theory paper or problematic paper. Okay, I can say almost 80% it is a theory paper. Okay, remaining 20% will be a problematic. Okay, questions will be almost 80% theory and 20% will be problems. Okay, problems will be very simple. You're just going to apply the formula and you're just going to get the answer. Okay, very simple. So they'll be asking to find the tool life. Okay, what tool life? Okay, tool life, Taylor's tool life equation. That is using Taylor's tool life equation, you have to find the tool life using the formula VTN is equal to C. So it is very easy. We can do those. Okay, that's it. Thank you.